Hello amazing people, welcome to my YouTube channel for this week. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, I want to say a big congratulations to you because you just came in at the right time. There are big moves that are going down for this week, which will make you tons of money for this week. Okay, all you just need to do is stick to the end of this video and watch the 5 pairs that I'm about to analyze for you guys. I have 5 different pairs to analyze for you, which are Gold Spot USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, Great Britain pounds, and USD CHF. Within these 5 different pairs, there are huge moves that are about to go down for this week. I will be sharing this big move with you guys so you can make tons of money within this pairs for this week. So just stick to the end of this video. I will dive right to the first pair, which is my gold spot USD. This is gold spot USD. For gold spot USD, guys, I need to show you the overall trend. Don't forget the overall trend, we are on a bullish trend. So let's put that on our mind that we are currently on a bullish trend. I will scale down to the 4 hours time frame to show you something real quick. And you know the basic market structure, when we are on a bullish trend, the market tends to form what? Series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, so now something has happened on the 4 hours time frame. You see market, the price has changed, as there's a shift in structure. It has taken out the previous higher low. Okay, this previous higher low has been taken out by this new price. Okay, let me scale down to the 1 hour time frame just to show you the trading opportunity we have for this week. So the trading opportunity we have for this week is, as we can see, price has created a reversal pattern here, which is an head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this is the head and shoulder pattern. This is an head and shoulder pattern. That is the head. This is the right shoulder right about here. Okay, this is the right shoulder right about here. Okay, so as we can see, this is a purely reversal pattern that we are about to trade for this week. And don't forget, your first take profit will be at this lower high, at this, what's it called, higher low right about here. This is why I said this will be your first take profit. And this price might tend to use this as a reversal point to continue this move. Okay, price might use here as a reversal point to resume its original trend, because the overall trend is a bullish trend. And another reason why I strongly believe that we're about to have a bearish move right about now is because the moving average has crossed the, what's it called, a bearish move, which signals was a short sell for us. Okay, so this basic confluence that we have, so I strongly believe that we are about to go into what, a bearish move. And for your entry method, let me quickly show you this. For this entry method, you can simply draw a counter trend line. Okay, a counter trend line, right about here, a counter trend line right about here. So this will be your entry. You wait for price to take out this level right about here. You wait for price. Let me see if this can. Okay, you wait for a bearish candlestick to take out this counter trend line and this previous horizontal line. Let me increase the size of it. Okay, you see this horizontal line. Okay, this horizontal line, I used it to mark out the previous higher low right about here. Okay, this previous higher low right about here, I use it to. So these are the basic entry method. You need price to take out this low right about here and this counter move and this counter trend line right about here. So all you need to do is, let me bring out my position size calculator. This will be your first take profit, and this will be where you put your stop loss. So this will give you 1 to 3 RR. Okay, this will give you 1 to 3 RR. Okay, this will give you 1 to 3 RR. This is a decent entry for you to make decent money for this week. Okay, that is that for those spot USD. And I'm moving on to AUD USD, just to show you another amazing entry that we have for this week. For AUD USD, I need to show you something real quick. For AUD USD, this trend line has been holding right from 2021. Price came back to respect it in 2022, and currently price is approaching that same trend line. We should understand that that trend line is a strong trend line, right? Let me scale down to the daily time frame. Okay, I want to show you something about on this daily time frame. This horizontal line that I draw here. Reasons why this horizontal line was drawn, I draw two horizontal lines because price has respected this horizontal line right about here. Yeah, price respect it. Price respect it here. Okay, and same thing happened here. Price tends to respect the horizontal line right about here as well. So yeah, okay. So let me move let me proceed to the second horizontal line. So the second horizontal line which was drawn is, if you see, price respect the horizontal line somewhere right about here, and respect the horizontal line right about here, and price tends to respect the same horizontal line right about here. And reasons why these levels are very important is we need to put all these levels into consideration just to know the level of resistance, okay, the price might tend to face along the line. So let me continue with this explanation for you. All this explanation that I'm doing is very important so you guys can understand reasons why all these horizontal line are on the chart. It's just to show us the level of resistance, the first take profit, the second take profit for us. So I'm on the 4 hours time frame right about now, and as we know, as the basic market structure, markets do create higher low, higher low on the what? On the bullish move. Currently, we are in this move zone right about now. And if you look at the moving average, it's currently showing us that we are on a strong bullish trend. So, and before I proceed as well, I need to give you another point. Don't forget, price move from zone to zone. Now, as we can see, it seems price is done with this zone, and we are currently in this zone right about here. Okay, so let me scale down to the 1 hour time frame. So currently we are in this zone. So as we can see, price is currently taking out this high right about here. Okay, price currently moving out this high right about here. If price decides to close back into this zone right about here, okay, we will wait for price to give us to take out this low right about here. All we need to do is wait for price to take out this low before we can say we are going short. But currently now, price is currently in what? Strong bullish move, and price is currently approaching this first horizontal line. Okay, this first horizontal line, and don't forget the strong trend line that was drawn on the weekly time frame. So if price tends to come respect this trend line, that means we are still on what? On a bullish trend. The next move that we'll be looking at is we are looking at price to come to this overall trend. And price can't just jump to this level. So what are we going to do? We have to wait for price. We have to wait for price, to take out this level, the first one, come to this level to respect this level, the second one, and the third one is the price, to respect this trend line. If price tends to respect this trend line and not take out this trend line, okay, if price does not take out this trend line, we know that probably price might tend to create a reversal pattern somewhere around there. Okay, all we need to do is wait for a reversal pattern just to go short. But for now, we are still in a bullish trend, so we'll be looking for a bullish opportunity. I just have to explain these levels to you, just to know that this might serve as a resistance for the price, this might serve as well as a resistance for the price as well. Okay, so if price decides to continue its bullish move, we'll be looking for a decent bearish continuation move. So all we need to do is look for a correction above this level right about here. Look for a correction above this level right about here. Okay, look for correction above this level right about here. Just to go long. This will be your next TP. Okay, let's focus on this. This will be your next profit target. So from this level right about here to this level, this will be like 50 pips. Okay, this will be your 50 pips. So before you can take advantage of this, wait for price to go above this level right about here. And the second move which I will show you is if price tends to not break out this high right about here, and price tends to come back, we have to wait for price to take out this level right about here, to take out this low right about here. We wait for price to take out this low right about here, and then you can bring out your trend line to draw a counter trend line, okay, to go short. Okay, this is just to go short. Okay, you can bring out your counter trend line just to go short. That's just the basic thing I need to explain to you. I'm giving you a buy and sell opportunity for AUD USD. So I'm giving you a buy and sell opportunity for AUD USD. Okay, so if price decides just to expect this high and not go above this high and come down, wait for price to take out, wait for price to take out that low. And this will reconnect my bro. Okay, I'm back online. So you need to wait for price to take out this trend line. Okay, you need to wait for price. Don't take trade within this zone. Don't take trade within this zone. Please don't take trade within this zone. Price might tend to come in, create an equal low right about here to go long, but wait for price to take out this level. Once price take out this level, then you can wait for a retest above this zone. Then you use this place as your first take profit. You can use this place as your first take profits. Your first take profit can be somewhere around there, while the second take profit will be somewhere around there. So that is the trading opportunity for the buy and sell, on AUD USD for this week. So just let us wait for price to show us what it wants to do. So I'll be moving on to the next pair, which is the USD card. Okay. For USD card, I'm on the weekly time frame. As we can see on the weekly time frame, this is a major level and this is a major level. Price broke out from this trend line with an aggressive bearish move, and came back to this, price came shy. Price came shy of this major level right about here, and went back to retest this major level. I'm on the weekly time frame, don't forget, and went back to respect this major level right about here. So let me scale down to the daily time frame and show you what actually happened. When price, respect this major level, this previous major level, and price came back to respect that previous major level that price, did not respect right about here. Okay, so price tends to came back to respect that level. Okay, so now price has respect that major level. Okay, and on the daily time frame, price is currently creating a reversal pattern. And don't forget, markets move from zone to zone, and currently we are in this zone right about here. So price is currently creating something which I see as probably a double bottom pattern, because price fails to take out this level right about here. Price failed to take out this level, and we need to look at the bigger picture here. So now we see price came to create a double bottom right about here, and this double bottom is a reversal pattern. Okay, this double bottom is a reversal pattern, and as you can see, the moving average is currently showing us that we are in a strong bearish trend. Okay, so we have two things that we are that's currently contradicting each other. We have a pattern that is currently showing us that we might be going for a bullish trend, and we have a moving average that signals that we are in a strong bearish trend. So now let's scale down to the 4 hours time frame just to protect ourselves, so we can take advantage of this. So over here we have this basic market structure, this lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, and price has done this decently. So we are expecting price to form another, what is it called, lower high right about here. But don't forget, let me quickly show you a simple level right about here. There is a minor level right about here that we need to put into consideration. This minor level has served as a support for this one, serve as a resistance for this one, serve as a support for, serve as a resistance here, serve as a support, served as a support, served as a support here as well, and serve as a resistance. And price has currently took out this minor level, this strong minor level right about here. Okay, price has taken out the minor level, and the next level right about here is this minor level right about here, as in that this support has as well turned to resistance right about here. So we need to put this level into consideration. But before I go further, we need to focus purely on the main market structure right about here. So let me scale down to the 1 hour time frame just to explain more about this basic market structure for us, so we can see a potential opportunity for this week. My video for this week might be probably long, but I need to quickly explain these things to you guys. So this is a lower high, lower low right about here. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So now this is the current structure right about here. This is the strong high. Hold on a moment. This is the strong high right about here, and this is the strong low right about here. So we are within this move. This still signals to us that we are in a bearish move. Okay, you shouldn't be deceived. So we are still in a bearish move. As far as price D has not taken out this high right about here. Price has not taken out this high. So not until price tends to take out this high, okay, before we could look for a bullish move. So now let me quickly bring out the counter trend line from here, just to support to add to our confidence, to add to our entry confidence. So you see this is the first touch, this is the second touch, and price might tend to want to respect this level. So we have to wait for price. If price tends to respect this level and go long, that means if price tends to go long and take out this level, okay, That means the price is, definitely moving on to a bullish move. All we need to do is patiently wait for price to correct itself. Okay, so the next correction is what we want to take the entry from to go long. Okay, and if you want to go long, this is how we are going to go about this. If we want to go long, this will be our first take profit because there is a strong minor level right about here. Okay, this is a strong minor level. This is a resistance turn to support turn to resistance. Okay, this is a strong minor level right about here. This will be our first take profit and our second take profit. But before we get there, we need to look for an entry, which I explained earlier. Wait for price to take out this level. Okay, wait for price to take out this level, and a correction. Okay, and a correction of price. So, and a correction of price. For us to have this correction of price, to know where price wants to get to, we have to wait for the next to wait for the next higher high, something like this. So all we just need to take out our Fibonacci retracement and place it above the next high that breaks above this level. Okay, the next high that breaks above this level. Okay, I'm just analyzing ahead of time. Okay, if price tends to take out this level, so we just place the Fibonacci retracement to the recent new higher high, and this will be, you place this below the new higher low. So you will be expecting a retracement to come back to the 6.18 level or 7.8 level, any of this level right about here, either this or this, so you can go long with it, because that is a decent zone for us to buy. Then at least I believe I've given you a decent entry for this week for USD card if you decide to trade USD card. So I'm moving on to the next pair, which is the Great Britain pound. So this is for Great Britain pounds USD, and for Great Britain pounds USD. Okay, and for Great Britain pounds USD, Great Britain pounds USD, we are currently in this zone right about now. So we are in this zone right about now, and don't forget this zone that we are at right about now. Price has got to this resistance level. Okay, so now and another thing I will need to explain to you is, don't forget price move on zone to zone, from zone to zone. Let me scale down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, as we can see, there are a bunch of candlestick moving sideways. This signals a range. Price is planning to go into a range. Okay, let me scale down to the, what's it called, 4 hours time frame. Okay, the 4 hours time frame. And as you can see, the basic market structure simply, as explained earlier, price will form higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So the current zone that we are at is this zone right about here. Okay, this zone right about here. This is the zone we are at right about here. Okay, so the moment is, you see, this is the current zone that we are at right about here. So basically we are still in a bullish trend, because not until price takes out this low before we can think of going short. Okay, so currently we are on on a bullish trend. Okay, and not until price takes out before we know that there is a continuation. Okay, but currently what we are is we are in an indecisive zone. Okay, the price has not decided whether it wants to continue the bullish move or continue what, resume a bearish move. What do we do in this phase? We need to stay out of the market. For Great Britain pounds USD, we won't be trading Great Britain pounds USD for this week. You just have to exercise patience and wait for price to decide if it wants to go long or continue a bearish trend. That is that for Great Britain pounds for this week. Probably next week I will come back to analyze this pairs for you if price has decided to give us a clear direction. So I'll be moving on to the next pair, which is the USD CHF. For USD CHF, I'm on the weekly time frame, and as you can see, we are on a bearish trend. But there is one pattern that I'm looking at on the, what is it called, weekly time frame, an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and price actually came back to this head right about it, acting like it wants to form a reversal pattern at this level. Currently, I don't know what wants to happen, because the moving average is currently showing a strong bearish trend. Okay, so we are currently in a strong bearish trend. Let me scale down to the daily time frame. This is the what's it called previous low right about here on the daily time frame. This is the previous low, and as I explained in my previous video, we are looking at the reversal pattern here. Price actually created a double bottom before the price went into a range, and price came back there, failed to take out this neckline right about here, and price went into a range, and currently we are in a range in the USDCHF. So I actually so uh I scaled down to what's it called the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, as you can see, I created a basic entry for myself here, which is my point of interest, which I'm expecting price to, come back to this point of interest right about it. And price actually came back, price has taken out liquidity somewhere around there, took out liquidity here as well. And price is currently at this level right about it. Let me scale down to what's it called the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame. So the 1 hour time frame, I've used this zone as my own point of interest. Okay, this zone as my point of interest. And one thing is, if price decides, to respect this level right about here, and if price decides to respect this level right about here, we have a lower low right about here, current lower low, and we have a current lower high right about here. Okay, if price decides to respect this lower low right about here and decides to come, violate this high right about here, okay, you might be looking to go long. Okay, but if price decides to continue its bearish move, this bearish move right about here, and break out this level right about here, that means we'll be looking for a sell opportunity. But currently now, we don't know what price wants to do, because there is a pattern currently that I'm looking at on their 1 hour time frame, but I need to first explain this both scenario for you. So if price tends to come back and take out this lower low right about here, we'll be expecting a new lower low. Okay, a lower low and a new lower high. From that lower high, we can go short. Okay, from that lower high, so we can go short. But this looks like an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a reversal pattern. Okay, which is a reversal pattern. This looks like a shoulder. Okay, just to go long, but let's patiently wait, and let's wait for price to decide its next move for us. Let me scale down to 30 minutes time frame to see if there is anything to hold on to. Currently, there's nothing to probably hold on to. There are liquidity down here. So let's be open. Okay, let's be open to what price might want to do. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame. So I'll be using this my 1 hour time frame as decisive zone. This zone and this zone. If price decide to respect this level, we'll be waiting. We have to wait for price to take out this lower area about here. Okay, a retest on this neckline, then we can go long. Okay, this will be our first take profits. This will be our first take profit right about here. The first take profits. A moment, the first take profit, and the second take profit will be somewhere around there. But if price decides to not do that and take out this lower low right about here, all you need to wait do is a lower low will be formed, wait for a lower high, at least to sell at a premium price, then you go short. Okay, this is another level right about here. Okay, the previous low. So be open to both move for this week. So having take all these 5 pairs that I analyzed for you guys for this week, there is an amazing move for us to make money for this. So you can pick any of these 5 pairs that I analyzed for you for this week. And I want to say a big thank you to you guys for sticking long to the end of this video. So guys, I'll be seeing you in next week just to give a decent update right here on my YouTube channel. I believe and I strongly believe you'll be making a reasonable amount of money for this week. And one more thing I will appreciate you guys if you can do it for me, so just to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. By doing these basic things, we help my YouTube channel to grow more, because we are still in a growth process. So but with your help guys, this YouTube channel will definitely grow. So I will see you next week guys. Bye for now.